Hi there, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thanks so much for coming to the sound juggling video. Letters, I want you to not worry about those right now and just process the sounds with me. So I want you to hear the sounds, see the sounds, say the sounds, and touch the sounds as we go. Here is the first one. So this is k-r, car. In car, what if I put the R over here? Now we have arc, arc. This one is oof, oof. In oof, what if I put the f over here? Then you have ooh, foo. Here is air. In what if I put the over here? Then you have ray. This one is arm. In arm, what if I put the over here? You would have mar. Here is oot. In oot, what if I put the t over here? Then you have two. Here is ouch. In ouch, what if I put the ch over here? Then you have chow. Here is j. In j, what if I put the I over here? Then you have idge. Here is up. In up, what if I put the p over here? Then you have pa. So here we have of. In of, what if I put the v over here? Then you have va. Here is ooh, In what if I put the over here? Then you have ooh, moo. Here is use. In use, what if I put the z over here? Then you have zoo. Here is ought. In ought, what if I put the t over here? Then you have ta. Here is eight. In eight, what if I put the t over here? Then you have tay. Here is art. In art, what if I put the t over here? Then you have tar. Here is osh. In osh, what if I put the sh over here? Then you have shaw. Here is each. In each, what if I put the ch over here? Then you have chi. Here is ag. In ag, what if I put the g over here? Then you have ga. Here is age. In age, what if I put the j over here. Then you have J, J. Here is ale, ale. In ale, what if I put the over here? Then you have lay. Here is eeg, eeg. In eeg, what if I put the g over here? Then you have gee. Here is itch, itch. In itch, what if I put the ch over here? Then you have ch. Here is og, og. In og, what if I put the g over here? Then you have gaw. Here is ooch, ooch. In ooch, what if I put the ch over here? Then you have chew. Here is in. In, what if I put the n over here? Then you have n. Here is ooth. In ooth, what if I put the over here? Then you have thoo. Here is ice. In ice, what if I put the s over here? Now you have sigh. And thank you so much for coming to the sound juggling workshop or lesson. I hope all of you have a super great day. This is Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic. Bye.